Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone or computer has Bluetooth enabled and the accessory has power and is in pairing mode. Open Settings and toggle Bluetooth on. Make sure your device is discoverable so the accessory can see it. If an accessory uses a dedicated pairing button or holds a specific LED pattern, press or hold it now. This puts the accessory into discovery so the next steps can find and authenticate the connection. Once Bluetooth is discoverable, scan for nearby devices from your phone or computer and watch the device list populate. If nothing appears, refresh the scan and keep devices closer. Select the accessory name that matches the label or model. When a PIN, code, or confirm prompt appears, verify the numbers match on both devices to prevent accidental pairing with the wrong unit. Accept or confirm on each device and wait until the system shows a successful pairing or connected status. To finalize, choose the correct Bluetooth profile, audio for headphones, file transfer for data, or keyboard profile for input, so the accessory behaves as intended. Then perform a quick test like playing audio or sending a small file. If the connection fails, power cycle the accessory and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Forget the device and repair if necessary. Make sure no more than one device is simultaneously connecting, and if problems persist, reboot both devices to clear stale Bluetooth caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.